We're with Sam today in Staffordshire, and we're here with his 8634 that he's restored himself. Sam, tell us a bit about your tractor.
I bought it in 2015. We worked it for sort of 12 months, something like that, and then I decided to restore it.
Okay. How long did it take you for the restoration process?
I started in September, and it took me till the May. So.
Oh, right, so quite quick then.
Quite quick, yeah. Worked on just weekends and nights. And had a chance.
Yeah. And do you use it on the farm?
Yeah, only light duties in the summer. Try not to sort of.
Yeah.
Try not to sort of get it in the mud if I can help it.
Yeah. What horsepower is it about?
It's about 140 to 150, something like that.
Is it?
Yeah.
Pretty standard, or is it?
Yeah, sort of standard. I think it's had a bit of a tweak on the pump, but
yeah,
bit of smoke.
Yeah. And I can see you've modernised it a bit with the LED lights.
Yeah, I had to add a bit of a touch to it, really.
Without changing the look that much.
Yeah, kept the same sort of shape and size. And
yeah, no, I like that. So all in all, how much did this kind of cost you from buying it, restoring it, paint, tyres?
When I bought it, we gave £8,500 for the tractor.
Okay.
Started restoring it, spent probably sort of £400 to £500 in paint.
Right, okay.
Then I had 2 new tyres on the front, so that's 720 in total.
Yeah.
And then various other bits like beacons, and in all it comes to about £2,000.
It's pretty reasonable. It's pretty reasonable for doing up a tractor to a standard like this. Now it's usable. It's going to last a long time, you know.
Yeah.
And I see you've had nothing on the lifts there. It's still pretty fresh.
No, I haven't.
Are you likely to?
I don't know. I might do. Depending. I've got a plough maybe for a ploughing match or.
Yeah.
Like
It's a shame to knock the paint off, isn't it?
That's right. Yeah.
Let's have a look inside. I don't want to dirty it up. You've cleaned it up nice.
Right, I know. It's a problem.
Oh, it is tidy.
Yeah, new interior.
Dashboard looks really tidy.
Yeah, it's not too bad to be fair.
No. Quite often they get battered around and computers missing and whatnot. And
that's right.
It's
16.
What's it got? 6,899 hours on it. The power shift in this tractor is all controlled with one gear stick. It's a full clutchless shuttle. Push it forward to go forward, back to reverse. You push it away from you to go up a gear and towards you to go down a gear. Now it's got 18 forward gears, 9 reverse gears, all completely clutchless, and you can even select the gear you want before putting it into drive. How does it start on a cold day?
Not too bad. I mean, I tried starting it yesterday, but it got no diesel in today.
Nah.
I didn't know.
You need some of that to get going.
Yeah, you do, yeah.
Just let this go.
She's now anyway.
Would it typically have a straight pipe on it, or is that?
Yeah, I've got.
You put that on
I've put
yourself?
that on. Yeah, it's usually got a silencer.
Yeah, no, they got a box on it.
Box on it. Yeah.
It sounds really well.
It does, doesn't it? That's what sunroof.
Yeah.
It goes quite well. It's a good 40k.
Is it?
Yeah.
Do you know him behind?
Yeah, I might do. I'm not sure. I don't recognise it.
Old and new.
That's right. Yeah. T7, isn't it?
Not too well up on the New Hollands, to be honest.
No, I'm better with the older ones.
I lost track of the number convention, the model convention.
Oh, no, yeah. Yeah, I think it could have been tweaked a little bit. It does smoke more than it should or something.
Yeah. I suppose if it's not doing the hours now, it wouldn't do it, will it?
No. It used to be on East Midlands Airport.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, took for planes.
Was it?
Because when I bought it, the wing on this side got a big dent in it. Apparently turned sharp and the plane wing
Oh.
caught it. So I've tapped it all out. It's raining like you can't see it now.
Yeah.
It dented all back.
It's not very often you get a tractor that's run into an aeroplane.
No, it used to be on a set of back wing toppers.
Oh, okay.
The top of the ground as well.